Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Alienware Command Center error 0x803F8001. First, check for window updates. Press Windows plus I to open settings, then go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install any pending updates and restart your PC because many licensing errors are fixed with the latest Windows updates. Next, reset the Alienware Command Center. Press Windows plus I to open settings, then go to Apps and select Apps and Features. Scroll down to find the Alienware Command Center, click Advanced Options and select Reset. After that, restart your PC and check if the error persists. Resetting clears cached data and often resolves licensing issues. Now open the Microsoft Store and search for Alienware Command Center. If it is already installed, click on Install. Then, click Install again and sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. This ensures you have the latest official version. After that, run the Microsoft Store Troubleshooter, press Windows plus I to open settings, then go to System, select Troubleshoot, and click Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Store apps and click Run. Follow the on-screen instructions as this fixes common store app errors, including errors 0x803F8001. Next, re-register the app using PowerShell. Press Windows plus X and open Windows Terminal as administrator. Then run the command which you can see on your screen and restart your PC. This re-registers the app with Windows and often clears licensing errors. Finally, check for BIOS and firmware updates. Visit Dell support and enter your service tag. Update the BIOS, chipset, and firmware for your Alienware device, then restart your PC. Outdated firmware can prevent Alien Command Center from validating properly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.